I've updated my grade book. I haven't checked your homework for last week, but everything should be pretty clean in there. Any missing assignments you should be able to see in the grade book. So make sure you check that out. All right. And here we go. Let's take roll. Okay, here we go. Let's go with Elias Arroyo, Crystal Ayapentecal, Rosa Balderas,
Here.
Antonio Cervantes,
Here.
Edith Che Borges,
Here.
Sherlyn Coronado, Naomi Cortez, Abigail Gonzalez Villegas, Luis Gonzalez, Octavio Guerrera,
Here.
David Guzman,
Here.
Savannah Jordan Duter, Alberto Juarez Arenas, Angelina Liu,
Here.
Crystal Magallanes,
Here.
Daniel Mejia,
Here.
Edgar Mejia,
Here.
Leilani Mendoza, Jose Mino, Noel Munoz,
Here.
Elias Ortega, Angelina Rodriguez,
Here.
Austin Rodriguez,
Here.
Nicholas Rodriguez,
Here.
Olivia Sandoval,
Here.
Rosie Sorato, Devin Solis, Italia Solario, Leitali Tuitama,
Here.
Andy Tumamate,
Here.
Quinlan Wilson, Leilani Zavala.
Here.
Okay, here's who I've absent. Hang on a second. Hang on. Here's who I've absent, okay? Elias Arroyo, Crystal Ayapentecal, Cheryl Coronado, Naomi Cortez, Abigail Gonzalez Villegas, Luis Gonzalez, David Guzman, Savannah Jordan Duter, Alberto Juarez Arenas, Leilani Mendoza, Jose Mina, Elias Ortega, Austin
Here.
Rodriguez, Olivia Sandoval, Rosie Sorato, Devin Solis, Italia Solario. Okay, I know some of you said here, but I can't see your names. So say here and say your name. So we can do it one at a time. Who?
I'm here.
Alberto?
Juarez.
Albert?
Yeah.
Alberto? Okay, gotcha. Okay, who
Here.
else?
David Guzman.
David Guzman.
I'm here. Leilani Mendoza.
Okay, wait, hang on. Let me get David Guzman. David Guzman. And then Leilani Mendoza. Okay, anyone
Here.
else?
Elias
Who's that?
Ortega.
Elias Ortega. Okay.
And Elias Arroyo.
We get you. Okay. Elias, I got you. Anyone else?
Here.
Naomi Cortez. Here.
Luis Gonzalez.
Naomi Cortez. Okay, who else? I got Naomi.
Here. Luis Gonzalez.
Luis Gonzalez, I got you. Okay, who else?
Elias
Here.
Arroyo.
Here, Devin Solis.
Elias Arroyo? Elias Arroyo? Okay. Okay, who else?
Here. Olivia Sandoval.
Sandoval. Got you, Olivia. Okay, anyone else?
I'm here. Italia.
Italia? Okay, got you, Talia. Okay, anyone else?
Here, Austin Rodriguez.
Austin Rodriguez. Got you, Austin. All right. Anyone else? All right, here's who I have absent still, okay? So again, check to see if you're here. I have Crystal Ayapentakal, Charlene Coronado, Abigail Gonzalez Villegas, Savannah Jordan Duter, Jose Mina, Rosie Sorato, Devin Solis. Crystal, are you here? Charlene? Abigail? Savannah? Jose? Mina? Rosie Sorato?
I'm here.
Rosie?
Yeah.
All right, gotcha. And Devin Solis.
I'm here.
Devin's here. Okay, again, there's a last time I'm gonna, well, unless someone says here. Here we go, one last time. Crystal Ayapatakal. Sherlyn Coronado. Abigail Gonzalez Villegas. Savannah Jordan Duter. Jose Mina. Okay, I'm going back. That's who I have absent. Okay, all right, good job, guys. Hopefully you had a good weekend. Hey, anyone watch the Super Bowl? I'm telling you, I'm not really. I did not like Tom Brady, but dang, you got to give that man respect. I'm telling you, it's crazy. I can't believe it. So respect him. He's like nothing I've ever seen. But that was a good. I mean, it wasn't that good of a game, but yeah, David, I would agree. It's crazy. I mean, you can't deny that. Like him or hate him, just like we watched history. So, but anyway, wasn't that the game wasn't really that good, I guess, in the sense that Kansas City got blown out. They just freaking Patrick Mahomes couldn't they just shut him down. I couldn't believe it. Anyway, so that's that. So here we go. Here's what's going on. You think the refs did it, David? Like, I guess they did unfair calls. They did get a lot of penalties. The Chiefs did. I could see that. Okay, topic. We're going to do a test review. Okay, write this on your interactive notebook. Put your name, the date. What's the date? 2/8/21, period 2, math 1. Okay. All right. Here's what we're doing. Can you guys see that? Let's see. Olivia, can you see what I have on the board here?
Yes.
Yeah? All right. Okay. Hey, David, your camera's off. Crystal, stay after class because I'm not in my attendance right now. So if you want to be here, stay after class. Don't forget. Some of you want to stay after class regarding grades. Okay. All right, David, you're all over it. Okay. So here's what I want you guys to do. There's a practice test that I need you to take, and we're going to do it together. So everybody log in with me into your Canvas. Okay, here we go. We're going into the practice test right here. Let's get to the let's see, control. I don't know why this doesn't show up. All right, where was I? Let me get to the student view. Hang on, I'm like, my Canvas is. Oh, I am in student view. Okay, so We're going to finish chapter 1. Go to modules. Sorry, I did that fast. Let me go back. There's a couple places you can find this. Actually, self-practice. I don't have in the student to do. Go to modules. Actually, let's look at the. I'm sorry. Let's go back. Let's look at the week. Let me show you what's going on for the week. Okay, weekly agenda. Let's click on the weekly agenda. Okay, and so here's what we're gonna do. Today we're doing the module 1 practice test, and then so you have to do this. You got to turn in because it's going to be sent in. I'm going to grade it, but I'm going to do it with you, okay? And you're going to study for the module 1 test, study for the module 1. All 3 days you can study for the module 1 test. We're going to review the module 1 test on Tuesday and review it again on Wednesday. And then we're going to take it on Thursday, okay? Everything I show you, if you do my reviews, if you write down everything that I do for the reviews, you're going to do really well on the test, okay? I'm telling you. You will do super well. So write down what I have, every single question, and then you'll be all, oh man, I got this. You get it? Give me a thumbs up that you understand. Thumbs up. Let's see. Olivia, thumbs up. Elias, thumbs up. Let me see. Leotali, give me. You don't understand Leotali? I don't see. Noel, give me a thumbs up, man, so I know you understand. Okay, Edgar. Leotali, are you frozen? I can't even see. Leotali waivers. Okay, you gotta put your thumbs down. Leotali, I think Leotali, I lost her. Leotali, go in the chat that you're here. Okay, how come I can't see you on the camera? You're having camera issues? Did you get it, Leotali? Do you understand what I said about the... My camera's on, but do you understand where I'm at, Leotali? Do you understand what you need to do well on the test? That's all I'm asking. I couldn't see your thumb up or not. Okay, perfect. Okay. All right, so that's the class expectation. That's the weekly agenda, okay? Mostly no homework this week, just study for the test, except for the practice test, which we're going to do today. So let's do that first. So let's go to the practice test here. Okay, so go to modules. Everyone go to modules. Where I'm at here. Is it hard to follow me and do that at the same time? And then at the end of chapter 1, because you're going to do this with me, okay? You need to do this with me. I'm going to give you all the answers, so you need to have this open. Module 1 practice test. Click on that. Okay, we're going to take the quiz together. You guys ready? Hopefully it does in the same order as me. If not, then just write the answer down and do it when you come to it, okay? So take the quiz. All right. Okay, here it is. It's all here. Okay, let's do number 1. Actually, in fact, I want you guys to do number 1. 1, d minus 7 equals negative 18. Okay, so write it on your notebook. D minus 7 equals negative 18. Just do this on the notebook with me. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go right here. And that's number 1. So you guys see it? Do number 1. I'm going to call on one of you to solve it. Probably someone whose head I do not see. If I don't see your head, there's a good chance I'll probably call on you.
What's it called?
Different number ones.
What's up, Devin?
Some of us have different number ones.
Different what?
My number one question.
Oh, just do the one I'm doing for now and write it down,
Right.
and you can fill it in later. Does that make sense, Devin?
What's the quiz called, Mr. Sanchez?
It's the unit. It's the practice test. Do you see it there, David? It's like I don't know if it's a practice test or practice quiz. It's quiz.
I saw one that says Module 1 additional practice test or practice test. Yeah, I see it.
Module 1. It says quiz. Module 1 practice test or practice quiz. Did you find it, David?
Yeah, I found it.
So some of you might be out of order, like Devin said. So just do this one though. Boom. D minus 7 equals negative 18. Okay. Angelina, was your number 1 different?
No.
Okay. Noel, was yours different?
Yeah.
Okay, so some of these will be different, but just do this one. I'm calling on you in about 10 seconds. Okay, I'm going to call, and I want to know what the answer is in 10 seconds, and then write it down. And by the way, you can scroll down and find it, right? Like look here. There you can scroll around, right? So like if you don't see it, you can find it. I don't know what number you got, but you can scroll around through the whole test. Okay? All right, here we go. Let's call on someone who, let's see, who can I not see? This is great. I'll just call the no head people or the no camera people. I'll call them too. Austin, what'd you get?
I'm still doing it right now.
All right, how far have you gotten?
I'm still looking through my notes for what to do.
Hey, look at this then. You looking at me? I know your camera's upside down, Austin. Remember, we need to solve for D. How do I get rid of that -7?
You add 7.
Yes, thank you so much, David. Austin, do you get that?
Yeah.
Add 7. Remember, different signs, so we subtract. 18 minus 7, we subtract them, would be -11. Okay, so I don't know. Raise your hand if you got -11. Raise your hand. Okay, so there you go. There's number 1. Let's move on. We're moving on. Boom. Okay, that's one of the easier ones. Let's look at the next one. Boom. I'm gonna write 2 down. 2 problems down here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I feel like I should. I'm gonna get you guys. I'm gonna get rid of this in 10 seconds. Okay, so if you need it written down, unless you need it, 10 seconds. Stop me if you still need this, because I'm gonna close it out in 10 seconds. Anyone need it? It's gonna go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go with. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna write it. So I'm getting rid of it since no one needs it anymore. Going to do 1 problem at a time. So I'm gonna try to fit 2 in here. Okay, I'm going to question 2 for me and question 3. Okay, so you guys look at this again. Copy this down. I'm gonna write it on 2 separate things here. Question 2. I got S plus -20 equals -19. And then I'll do the other one over here. I'm going to try to fit 2 in here. Y minus 9.9 equals 6.4. Y minus 9.9 equals 6. Well, it's got a decimal one there, so that's a little bit challenging, but not so bad. Okay, so those are the 2 I'm doing. You guys see them here? I'm doing question 2 and 3. You guys might have different ones, but that's okay. Do those 2 with me. Okay, so, okay, here we go. You guys, solve number 2. Solve number 2. I'm going to call on one of you. I'm calling one of you. David, do you have a question?
Oh no, I was raising the hand so I can answer it.
Oh, you're ready for it. Okay, hang on. Let's give everyone a chance to do it. And I might call on someone, too.
All right.
Did you do number 3, David?
I think so. I'm just double checking.
Okay. Because that's the hardest one. Just wondering if you did this. I mean, it's not that hard. You just have to add the decimals. But if you're not, you might be out of practice adding decimals.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. All right, let's go with Olivia. What'd you get for number 2?
I got -39.
Okay, Olivia, good. I know you did. I think you did the right thing here, but you made one little mistake. How did you get rid of this -20, Olivia? Draw my line. Olivia?
Yeah.
How did you get rid of this negative 20?
I added 20.
Yeah, you're right. You add 20. Now, the only thing that you did all that right. The only thing is because I have a different sign, even though it says add, I subtract. You guys remember that different sign we subtract? So we say 20 minus 19 is 1. Because I have more positives, it's going to be positive 1. Okay? Okay, raise your hand if you got that one correct. Raise your hand if you got that one correct. Okay, I'm moving on. Okay. Hey, anyone want to give me the answer to this one, even though because it's harder, so I'm not going to call on one of you. Want to give me the answer to? Yeah, David, go for it.
Is it y equals 16.3?
I believe so. So we do the same thing here. We just add, since negative, we add 9.9. And since these are both positive, we add them. 4 plus 9 is 13. Carry the 1, and then 16.3. 9 plus 6 plus 1. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Okay, raise your hand if you got number 3, 16.3. Raise your hand if you got that. Okay, I'll leave this up. Are there any questions before I get rid of this? So I'll get rid of this in 10 seconds. Make sure you mark your answers down because you'll get credit for that practice quiz, right? Like free points. It's like you're getting free points. But make sure you can do this on your own. We're going to keep practicing these, and practicing these. Just keep practicing. This is all we got to do. Get this, we'll nail it today. But these are the easiest ones, though, by the way, because we only have to get rid of one number. We start getting rid of 2 numbers, it gets more challenging. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyone need it before I get rid of it? Okay, it's going. Okay, next one. Okay, I'm going to do 2 more. Oh, what are the coefficients? Oh. Okay, what are the coefficients? I'm going to look at this. Hey, the same as a constant, the number before a letter, the constant as a same as a constant, the numbers without a letter, the letters in an expression. Anyone know what the answer is to this? What are the coefficients?
The
Is
number
it the-
before a letter.
Yes. Very good. Now, let me show you real quick an example of coefficients so you can see what the heck is going on here. It's that one, the number before a letter, coefficient. Okay, coefficient. So, like, look. Again, this was on your test. Like, this is one of your tests. And like you might see it. You might see the same exact question on Thursday. So it's like free points. But a coefficient. Okay, so if I say 7x, the coefficient is the 7. You don't have to write it down, just remember it. If I say 9x squared, okay, Andy, what is my coefficient here?
A number for a letter. It's 9, right?
Yeah, it's 9. That's it. Boom. Number 4 letter. Boom. That's it. It's just the number before the letter. If I say 15a, one last thing. Octavio, what's my coefficient here?
15.
15. Boom. Done. Moving on. I'm moving on. Unless there's any questions on that. Stop me if there's any questions. Okay, so now the next one. What are the terms of the expression? Well, the terms are just the 2x, the 3y. It's just everything in between the plus or the minus. So the terms are 2x, 3y, negative 4x, and positive 3. Those are the terms. Boom. Just remember that one, okay? Terms. I think that's self-explanatory. Okay, let me look at you guys so I'll make sure. Okay, raise your hand if you understand what a term is. Raise your hand so I know, because I'll talk about it more. Raise your hand. I got it, Sensei. Okay. All right. Okay. Raise your hand if you need more of an explanation. Anyone need more of an explanation? Okay, I'm gonna move on then.
Wait, what was the term?
Okay, Noel. The term is like, look here in the. Thank you for asking me, Noel. Okay, here we go. The term is like this. Whoops, this 2x. Can you see what I'm pointing at, Noel?
Yeah.
Noel?
Yeah.
Okay, so this whole 2x is the term. 3y. And because there's a minus, negative 4x is a term. If I went here, like the y would be a term. The negative 9.9 would be a term. The 6, it's just all the numbers and letters that are together. So, Noel, name a term in question 6.
3z.
You mean 3x?
Oh yeah. Yeah, my bad.
But don't forget the minus. Be negative 3x. Okay. What would be another term in here, Noel?
2x.
Don't forget minus 2x though, because of the subtraction. Okay.
All
I
right.
think you get. Are you good, Noel?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions on this? Like 2w would be a term. Minus 4 would be a term. 3w would be a term. Okay, so I'm moving on. Okay, 6 and 7. Okay, simplify by combining like terms and then solve number 7. Okay, so we'll do 6 and 7. They're 6 and 7 for me. I don't know what numbers they are for you. I better see all 100% on this practice test. I better see all 100%. So we have 4x squared minus 3x plus 11 minus 2. Combine like terms. 4x squared minus 3x plus 11 minus 2x. Okay, combine like terms. I'm going to write down number 7 also. Solve for w, because we have w on both sides now. 2w minus 4 equals 3w. Okay. Let's see, I have these listed as 6 and 7. I'll write it 6. But they're different for you, but this is my number 6. And this is my number 7. I think we go up to 12 or something like that. What do we go up to? Oh, we just go up to 10. That's it. So we're already in 6 and 7. Okay, so combine like terms. Okay, so guys, do my number 6 here in the blue. I want you to combine like terms. Go ahead and do this one. I'm going to ask you the answer. And then solve for w and 7 when you're done with that, okay? And then tomorrow we're just going to be doing the same thing where I expect you to get, I mean, the best way you guys can be successful in this, like this class, is just by doing these problems that I have you do. You got to practice. Math is like soccer or like football or like basketball. You don't do good unless you practice. And so we're practicing. That's all we're doing is practicing math, just doing problems over and over and over again. Okay? Finding your mistakes. Now's the time to make mistakes. Now's the time to get it wrong, but figuring out what your mistakes are. Okay. Number 6. And make sure you're marking the answers down, right? So, Naomi.
Could you repeat the question? The audio keeps cutting out for me.
Oh, no, I didn't say the question yet. Are you able to see my problems up here though?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Are you on the practice test?
No, it's not letting me in.
Why?
The internet.
Okay. Well, when you can get on it. But number 6, Naomi, what'd you get for number 6?
I can't really see.
I'm out of the way. I'm out of the way now.
My apologies. I haven't started that one yet.
Oh yeah? Tough one, huh? I'll get back to you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Rosa, what did you get for number 6? Rosa, are you there? Man, these classes last long when you guys don't answer. Rosa, are you there? Because I got to mark you absent if you're not there, if you're not answering. Going once. Going twice. Rosa, I'm marking you absent. Rosa Balderas. Daniel Mejia.
Yeah.
I can't see you. What'd you get for number 6?
For number 6, I got 4x squared minus 5x plus 11.
Perfect, Daniel Mejia. So you combine this negative, you combine the x's, right? Because they're the same. Daniel's right. Because they're both negative, even though subtraction, you want to add them because they're both negative. So our answer is going to be 4x squared, negative 3x plus negative 2x. You add them. 2 plus 3 is 5. Because they're both negative, it's negative plus 11. Okay. Naomi, what'd you get for number 6?
I'm still working on it.
Really? You didn't get the answer yet?
No.
Okay. Let me know when you got it, okay? Okay, Rosa, are you there? Are you still absent? Okay. Rosa, are you there? Okay. Let's do number 7. Alberto, what'd you get for 7? Okay, well, tell me what the answer is, Alberto. Alberto, write the number 4. What'd you get for 7, Alberto? Okay, Alberto's writing it down. 4x squared minus 5. Well, Alberto, I see. It's hard for me to read what you're getting at here, but Hang on a second. Let's see if someone else has it. Alberto, stay with me. Let's go with Elias Ortega. What'd you get for W?
-4.
Yes, I think is it -4 or +4? Oh yeah, it is -4. Okay, so look, I have a W on both sides, so I want to get rid of one of the W's. I usually like to bring it on the left, but if I get rid of this, then there's nothing to have over here. So let's get rid of this 2W by subtracting 2W. Okay, and so that goes away. And so I have a -4 here, and over here I just have a 3W, which is just a 1W, which is W equals -4. Raise your hand if you got that one. Okay, if you need help, remember, hopefully you got close to that. You understand. If you don't understand, hopefully, if you didn't get that, hopefully you understand what I showed you there, right? Rosa, do you have contact with us now? I'm reading all your messages.
Yes.
All right, cool. So, okay. Mark you here. Okay, Rosa is here. Nice, very good. Okay, let's go with, we have 3 more to do. Okay, 3 more. Eight and 9. Let's do 8 and 9. Now these are going to start becoming real difficult. Okay. So you guys try to solve these on your own first. Really try to solve. Okay. Really try to solve. Okay. I'm just leave it all here. Number 8. Number 8. So my number 8. Try to solve this. -2n minus 10n plus 3 equals -n plus 5. Boom. Okay, go ahead and do that one. That's number 8. Have it up here on my board. Okay, number 8. -2n minus 10n plus 3 equals -n plus 5. Now try to solve that. Again, as you're solving it, I'll give you some hints. Hint number 1, I draw the line so you can separate the left and the right. Bring these ends together, right? -2n minus 10n. Notice they're both negative, so you add them, even though there's subtraction. They're both negative, so you add them. And then you want n on one side. You have 2 n's, so I get rid of this n and bring it over here. And then you should be able to solve it after that. Okay? It's going to be, your answer is going to be a fraction, which isn't too bad. It's fractions seem bad, but it's not going to be that bad. Your answer is going to be a fraction. Okay. Raise your hand if you need more time. Okay, this is going to be a hard one. Are you sure you don't need more time? Okay. See a couple hands? Quinlan, how you doing over there? Your camera's off. I can't see you, Quinlan. Same with you, David Guzman. Naomi, your camera's still off. I know you're having internet troubles, and Rosa's having internet troubles too. Okay. I kind of want to solve this. If you're stuck, that's okay. I'm going to ask someone, what did you get for the answer? Someone yell the answer out. Quinlan, are you there? Quinlan. Quinlan, I'm looking for you. Wait, are you over there? Quinlan. Okay. Quinlan, if I can't find you, I got to mark you absent. Quinlan. Did Quinlan say something in the chat, anyone? Okay, I'm marking Quinlan absent. Okay, does anyone have the answer? What's that?
I got the answer.
Okay, was that, who said that? Daniel?
-2
Yeah.
11.
Yeah.
Okay, Daniel, what'd you get? All right, someone said
I got
negative.
n equals -2/11.
Yes, -2/11. Can you guys see that? Raise your hand if you got that. Wow, good. Okay, awesome. I'm going to do step by step. Okay, look at combine like terms. So make sure you understand how we got this. I have -2n and -10n. They're the same, so I can combine them. They're both negative, so I add them. So 2 plus 10 is 12. So it'll be -12n, and then write down the +3. This only way you could do this is by writing everything and bringing it down. Now this n, I want to get rid of this. I have two n's on this side. I usually like my n's on the left if there's everything all good and balanced. So let's get negative n. So I'm going to get rid of that by adding n, but I have to add n on the left side too. Add n. This is 1n. So -12n plus, they're different signs, so we subtract. Different signs, so we subtract. So 12n minus 1n is 11n. Now more negative, so it's negative. Plus 3 equals 5. Okay? Now I solve for n. Take away 3, subtract 3. I'm running out of room here. And I have -11n equals 2. And at this point, I got to divide by -11. Now, because 2 is not divisible by -11, you just leave it like that. And remember, because 1 is positive and 1 is negative, my answer is going to be negative. Different signs, negative. 2/11. Now, I saw most of you got that. Good. Okay, so mark that. Okay, let's jam. Let's go on the next one. Okay. Actually, I'm sorry. I'm going too fast. I'm sorry. I'll give you a chance to write that down. Give you a chance to write that down if you need it. Please write it down for your notes. Trust me, this will help you on the test. If you haven't gotten it, okay, I'm going to get rid of this in 10 seconds unless someone needs it. Stop me if you need it. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go to 9. We only have 2 more to go, guys. Hopefully this is helpful. Hopefully this is going by fast because you're doing the problems with me. Okay, number 9. Now I have parentheses and D on both sides. This is the hardest one that we're going to have to do. If you can do this, you're going to be doing amazing. 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 Amazing forever. Okay, -4 times -d minus 4, parentheses, equals negative 4d plus 6 times 2d plus 6. Boom. Okay. Negative 4. Let me make sure I wrote it down right. Minus 4 minus d minus 4 equals negative 4d plus 6, 2d plus 6. Okay. All right. Here it is on my board. You guys go and try to solve that. I'll give you some hints as if you're stuck. Remember, draw the line. And the first thing I do is I would distribute the 4 and the 6 to get rid of the parentheses. Then you combine the d's. Then you bring the d's to one side, and then it should be a lot solvable. Quinlan, are you there? Quinlan. Quinlan, are you there? See, who else do I need to check on? As you guys are working on this. Rosa, are you back? You still here, Rosa?
Yeah, I'm still here.
All right. Daniel, are you still here?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Who are my no-head people? Olivia, are you here?
Yes.
Can't see you. Austin, are you here?
Yeah.
My no-head people. Naomi, are you here? Cortez?
Yeah.
Okay. And who's that? Elias Ortega.
Yep.
All right. Elias Arroyo. Or Elias Arroyo. Elias, are you here? Mark Elias absent.
Elias
Quinlan,
Ortega's here.
I got Elias Ortega. I'm looking for Elias Arroyo.
Oh.
I got you, Elias Ortega.
Okay.
I know I made that mistake before, but okay. So Elias Arroyo. How long you been in here? Elias Arroyo, I have you marked absent. Quinlan, I'm marking you absent. Okay. Elias Arroyo.
Sorry, I was gone.
You've been gone for a long time.
Yeah.
I've been like calling on you. You okay?
Yeah,
Were you sick or something?
No.
It's like, can you turn your camera on so I know that you're there? You're not ditching. You're not like, are you eating breakfast or something?
Yeah, I ate breakfast.
No, are you eating it right now instead of
No.
doing class?
No.
Are you in bed? Are you sleeping?
No, I just grabbed my notebook. I came from the other room.
All right. So keep it on. I see you there now, okay? I'm still looking for Elias Arroyo. I think he's not in here anymore at all. Elias Arroyo. I think he said here and then ditched out. All right. What do we get for our answers? Anyone want to say what the answer is for this? What is D equal to? I don't have the answer.
D equals -5.
-5. Rosa, awesome. Anyone else get that? Any other answer? I don't have the answers with -5. You're all saying -5. Okay, cool. I'm going to do this step by step. Stop me if I'm going too fast. So get rid of the parentheses. This is -4 times. If there's nothing between, it's times. -4 times -d is +4d, because a negative times a negative is a positive. -4 times -4 is +16. You guys get that? equals negative 4d. Now, to get rid of these parentheses, I'm getting rid of the parentheses first. 6 times d is 12d. 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, so that's the first thing we do, is just multiply and get rid of the parentheses. Now, we have all these d's. Let's get our d's together. So on this side of the equal sign, we can combine them. I have negative 4d and positive 12d. Okay, they're opposite, so I subtract. 12 minus 4 is 8. And there's more positives, so it'll be 8d. So we'll say 4d plus 16 equals 8d plus 36. Now, okay, look how much easier this looks so far. We just put the d's together. Now the d on the right, the d on the left, let's get rid of this d on the left. I like the d, let's get the d on the right. I like the d, I like the letters on the left. That's what I like. You can put the letters on the right if you want. I just like them on the left. So to get rid of this 8d, I subtract d. Okay, 4 minus 8, different sign, so I subtract. 4 minus 8 is 4. I have more negatives. Okay, now to get rid of solve for d, subtract 16. 36 minus 16 is 20. Negative 4d, right? Divide by negative 4. And d, can you guys see this low? D equals 4. Quinlan, can you see that low? Do I need to fix the camera?
Can't really see.
You can't? Should I bring the camera down? Let me post myself so I can. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, I'll bring it down. Okay. I think that's that better, Quinlan?
Yeah.
Okay. Did I mark you here since?
Oh, you marked me there at the beginning of class.
I know, but I marked you absent because you weren't answering here. So I'm going to fix that since I see that you're here. All right, you're good. Okay. So that's how you do it. There's just one more practice. So you guys are going to get 100% on this practice test, right? Noel, have you been entering the answers on the practice test? You've been able to do that?
Yeah.
All right. Leotali, have you been able to write the answers in? Leotali, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. Woo! I get nervous when I can't see you. I got to keep calling on you guys. Make sure you're here, like the no heads. Olivia, are you still there? I can't see you.
Yes.
Okay, Naomi, are you still there?
Yeah.
No heads, people. Elias Ortega. Elias Ortega, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, Rosa Balderas. Rosa, are you there?
Yes.
I know you're having technical. Devin, I don't know if I think I see a shoulder. There's a Devin. I see you, Devin. Okay, Edgar Mejia, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, Daniel Mejia.
Yeah, I'm still here.
All right, cool. Okay, so there's one more. Do you guys want to do? Do you want to do? Let me do this. Oh, that's. Did we do that one already? Is that the first one?
Yeah, it's the same one as the first one.
All right, fine. We're done. Okay, we're done with that. You guys get that one right. Turn all those in. But do not leave because I need to talk to some people or else about your. Let's see. I need to see some of you after class. Let me get to my. Leave my student mode. Make sure you're here. I want to see if you're here. Hang on. Almost done. We're almost done, guys. You guys are doing great. Let's see. Elias Arroyo's not here. Antonio Cervantes. Are you here? I think he's absent. Antonio? No. Antonio, are you
Yeah.
here?
I'm here.
Okay. Okay, stay after class. Sherlyn is not here. Sherlyn Coronado? Sherlyn? Naomi Cortez? Naomi? Naomi's absent.
I'm here.
Okay, stay after class, Naomi. Luis Gonzalez? Luis? Luis is absent. Okay, Luis Gonzalez. Luis, I'm marking you absent, Luis. I'm assuming you're not here. Luis, are you here? Luis Gonzalez, I'm marking you absent. Everyone stay here, so I'm marking Luis Gonzalez. Is he checking? Okay, Luis Gonzalez, okay. Let's see, who else? Check to see if you're here. Savannah's not here. Edgar Mejia?
I'm here.
Okay, stay after. Jose Mina's not here. Wait a minute. Okay. Elias Ortega, I need it. Wait, what's going on? Elias Ortega, stay after. Angelina Rodriguez.
Here.
Okay, stay after. Austin Rodriguez. Austin Rodriguez. Austin is absent. Gosh darn it. What's going on here? Okay. Sorry, guys. Let me just get this done and then those. Austin Rodriguez. Austin. Okay. Let's see. Austin is absent. Olivia Sandoval, stay after class. Olivia, you're still here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Rosie Sorato.
Here.
Okay, stay after class. Andy, to my mate. Andy, are you here?
Okay.
I'm gonna mark. Okay, stay after class. If you're not here, I'm marking you. Quinlan, stay after class. Quinlan?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, and Leilani Zavala. Leilani?
Yeah.
Okay, stay after class.
Okay.
Okay, everyone else? You guys can go. And I need to talk to the people who I stayed after class. Be real. Some of you will be real quick. Some of you a little bit longer. I'll try to get the quick ones. All right, Devin. See you, Nicholas.
Mr. Sanchez?
Yeah.
Oh, I have a question about my my grades. Is it because of those check your understandings? Is that why my grade went down?
That's exactly right. Those of you who I'm having stay after is because of your grades, because you're not doing your check your understandings. I don't know if it's my fault or if it's your fault. So we got to fix this. Okay. Bye, Octavia. Okay. So let me tell you, you have to do all your check your understandings because your grades are low because of it. All you guys check your grades right now. Okay. Those of you who I said stay after, check your grades. Elias Ortega, I remember we talked to you last week. Everything was good, but I think you're missing a check your understanding.
So
Okay.
if I do those, will it like bring back my grade up? Or
It'll
at
bring
least-
it out so quick you won't even believe it. You'll be at an A. It's
Alright,
like
I'm
an
gonna get
easy
right
A.
on
So let me say, those of you who need to do your check your understandings, okay?
It says that I'm at a 50%.
All right, hang on. Let me look at the grades. I want to do one at a time, okay? Let's see. Antonio Cervantes. Antonio?
Yep.
Okay, did you do all your check your understandings?
No, I haven't.
Okay, you'll do those today, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. You can go. Naomi Cortez.
Bye, Miss Vincent.
All right,
Yeah.
see you. Naomi,
Yeah.
you're not doing your homework. Naomi, you got to stay. I got to talk to you later. Okay. Abigail. Is Abigail here? Abigail, were you here? Let's see. Luis Gonzalez. Naomi and Luis stay after. I got to talk to you even longer. David Guzman. David, yeah, do those. Check your understanding. David Guzman, are you there? David? I think he said he was going to do those. Savannah. Edgar Mejia.
Yeah.
Okay, you didn't do your check your understandings either, right? So are you going to do those today?
Yeah, and I forgot to turn in the homework last time.
Okay, well, get that in too. You get those, you'll be at an A in my class, right? You like getting A's, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So you can go. Okay,
Okay.
Elias Ortega, right? Are you with me on the Elias?
Yeah.
Okay, so remember last time we talked, but for some reason you're missing some tests now. I don't know what happened. Do you know what's going on or no?
Which ones? Which ones am I missing?
I don't know. Look at your check your let's see.
Yo, Sanchez.
Yeah, who's that?
Oh, it's Noel. But
Oh, what's up, Noel?
For the practice test, I clicked the wrong answers on accident. So that's why.
You should be able to redo it. Does it let you redo it?
No.
Okay, let me fix
It
that
just says
then.
that I'm missing the check your understandings.
Yeah. 1.3, 1.2, and 1.1. Elias, can you do those?
Yeah, I can do
Okay,
those.
you do those, okay? All right, you can go. Angelina, did I have you stay? Rodriguez?
Yeah.
Okay, you're missing check your understandings too. Can you do those?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, you can go. Austin Rodriguez. I marked him absent. Olivia Sandoval.
Yeah.
Okay, you just have to do those check your understandings and you'll be at an A. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, will you be able to do those today?
Yeah.
You can do them over and over and over again until you get them all right.
Okay.
Okay, you'll do them today, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good luck. You can go. Rosie Sorato. Rosie?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, did you do your check your understandings?
Yeah, I did. I just last week I took I did my assignments and I took the picture on my iPhone, but I sent it and the email didn't go through.
No, the check your understanding is the test. You don't take pictures of them. You just do them on the
No,
you
I
just
did
do them.
check your understandings. I just didn't do last week's homework assignment, the one.
No. You're missing check your understandings.